by the citizens of the children of the divine province will give you? It's a very important question. Okay? Express your intention to conduct civil ceremony. Please raise your right hand. Orang ako na? Yes, mo orang. Okay? And swear before this court. Okay. Anjali, do you take Roberto here present, Roberto Jr. here present as your lawful husband according to the laws? Do you give yourself to him as his wife? Do you accept him as your husband? Okay. Please repeat after me. I, your name, take, the name. Here present as my lawful husband. Tugsunod ako. As my lawful husband. To have and to hold from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, death to us part. Tanin mo kamot. Sige pa ka. Junior, do you take Angelia present as your lawful wife according to our laws? Do you give yourself to her as husband? Do you accept her as your wife? Please repeat after me. I, name, take, name, here present, here present, here present. Ikanungo yun. Bumulit pa ito sa engineer and engineer design siguro. As my lawful wife, to have and to hold, this day forward, better for worse, richer for poorer, in sickness and health. Ano sisig? Wala. Kaya nasisig ako sa abroad. Nangalong yun. Okay, by the virtue of power vested in me by law, I now confirm this marriage. Come on. The presence of sponsors, court personnel, and all those present here, and I'll pronounce you husband and wife. Ano kung akong kapil? Ano mo lang? Baka nito akong kapil, liftan lang. Congratulations. So, kumatan mo. Mr. Brian. Kanak, ko. Buat berakil mo? Buat mo ba?
Space.
Ayo, buhay di mo buat. 1, 2, 3. Wala?
Okay.
Okay. Firma. Dali, kita harus punya play. Bisa harus dong? 19. So, dong kan 19. Tanding na. Siya kaya kapatong mo, hindi ka 19. Torja ka ba? Torja ka 19. Ha? Ini ang obligasyon. That's a biological need sa panagsawa. Hindi karon. Apa na? Magpagay 10 minutes. Nila sa auto. Dakpan mo na. Nasa Manila, no? Dakpan sa auto gravation. Hindi, continuous kami. Nag-parking ka na nag-humong sa police. Huwag ka tumutin. Ano mo magbuot? Hindi ako kasunod sa auto. Bayad sa parking. Mahal man ang kuan, 20 naman ang parking, 25 ra. Ang motel, 200 ka pa man. Pero akong amigo, 300 pa yung gasto. Nagaman ng 100 ang hotel boy, kaya matay ko siya. Pailisa ni siya. Sulubi ko, matay ko. Inom sa Viagra. Kabayad na mo 300? Kabayad na ka daw? Kabayad na? Oo. Kabayad na ka para pamasahe mo na. Black na black na siya. Okay. Malagyan na sila. Ang sponsor niya.
Check na niya.
Kaya na siya pamasahe do. You file it first, you will come back and get a research copy. So after that, encode na siya. So in so may kopya na nyo. Imo sister, right? Pagpapaya ko pictures. Pagpapaya gini pa pumunta na. Mga Milgar ka kayo. Ako ino kong wife, anak ni Rodolfo, ha? Nakatong Johnny Milgar, ano sumuli mo? Ramon Milgar, normal, presidente. Okay, ang itong ilang kuan? Wala mariglo?